What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Well, it's not more of an unboxing, it's an unwrapping video. Today we're going to be unwrapping this uh, USB to I guess two-prong chargeable. So anyway, I had this Philips Norelco, one of my previous videos from the other one. The charger, I had this one since since I was like in 6th, 7th grade. Actually 8th grade and 9th grade around there. So we're gonna unwrap this box, or unwrap this cart. Well, let me do it this way because it has my mailing address and all that. So we'll go ahead and take this off. I usually have my scissors, but it's okay because we can't really use this again. All right, cool. Yeah, awesome, perfect. So this is all we get. We have this USB to little prong cables. Drop the comments below. What are these called? I don't know. They look like prongs. It reminds me of the PlayStation 1. And yeah, PlayStation 1 connector. That's how Sony did it back then. So hopefully this fits. And it fits. Alright. So the cool thing about this is that I got it through USB. I know that you can easily get it through a connection. A lot of people are kind of upset that, oh, why is this a USB? You know, like, how am I going to charge it? I don't want to use my computer. To me, that's inconvenience for them, but this is actually convenient for me because I can literally use a USB, and I have like a couple of them. Some people throw them away, but all right, let's give it a shot. Hopefully nothing happens. All right, so we can see it's on and it's charging, as you can see here, both of them. So I actually like that. I wouldn't leave this overnight. I would just use it to like charge it. This is super dead. This doesn't hold a battery at all, but I still use it. I use a trimmer specifically to trim my beard, and sometimes I don't. And some of the blades are dull, but there's a way to clean these blades with soap and hand sanitizer, or you can just sharpen the blades and stuff. But I saved it. I'll save this for another video on the Norelco. I guess I'll show you guys since this is. I'm just basically reviewing this. Yeah, so this is a small one right here. It's not going to turn on because it has no charge, but at least we know that it's working. And I'm using a phone charger. I wouldn't use it for this, but this is kind of convenient if you're always on the road or if you're touring and stuff. Then you can use this and this, of course. But I just brought this for you guys so I can show you like how convenient it is. Usually I would use directly the wall, and I would use like a wall charger. That way it can charge faster. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is a small cable. It's so convenient, and you don't have to hustle around another one. So with that forth, we know that it's charging, so it's kind of cool. And yeah, and let me show you guys how it's not gonna turn on right now, but oh look, it turned off. So it's kind of cool. We know that it's not working. Also, guys, real quick, since I know this is about the USB, but I'm gonna give you a little insight. So this one, like I said, I had it for a long time. The way I know some people don't explain on the how I usually to take them off. You just open it up, twist this little area right here to the left, and this would come off, and then the blades are here. Along with the blades, as you can see, they're kind of rusted. Had them for a long time. So yeah, just wipe these off, clean them, put them in hot water. They can still work. As you can see here, they've seen their ages. I'm gonna soak them overnight, only because, you know, to them to, I know that, I mean, at this point they're not really like, basically, you can see how they twist. So this right here, these little blades cut in through. There's a see that they don't see, there's a little bit, sorry if I can turn it down. So they do grip on a little bit to the nail bed, so that means that they're still kind of sharp. That's crazy though, because like usually you don't see these sharp at all. But yeah, guys, these last a long time if you really take care of them. My recommendation is just try to sharpen them, clean them as soon as you're done using them. They are worth it. Like I said, I still use it. It takes a while to shave. It's not like a automatic, but you know, I had this for a long time, and it still works. I like using the trimmer to trim my beard and sideburns so I can look like Jeff Hardy. Oh, how are these sharp? This one I felt it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is a little bit sharp. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to do it again with glass. There's multiple hacks where you can use these at your convenience, but this is just something I wanted to show you guys rather than just show you the USB, but that you can still use these blades as intended. And once you put them back, just make sure they go on the right spot. You're gonna have to kind of give it like a little twist, so ensure that they sit properly. You don't want them to come out. Sorry if you guys can't really see, but I'm trying my best to make it worth it. But yeah, guys, I wouldn't I used to use blades, but my skin would dry out pretty quick, and I'm like, nah, I'm not a big fan of that. I'd rather just use this electric, even if I have to wait. Doesn't really matter. Well, everything just came off. Sorry about that, guys. So, but yeah, I'll end it with right there because I'm gonna have to put all this back together. So, but once again, we came for the other one. Yeah, sorry guys, my thing's fragile. But let's see if it does still work. All right, now we turn it on. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, so yeah, guys, like I said, try to sharpen your blades as much as you can. These last a long time if you don't use them on daily. I try to shave. I don't try to overshave, you know. I just let it grow out for a bit, and then when it's time to shave, I usually try to do it over the weekend. My beard grows for takes a while for. Well, actually, it doesn't take a while to grow. It actually grows within the week. I hate it. But yeah, I like it because I can style it differently, like Abraham Lincoln. I like having his beard where it's just sideburns, like you just shave off the front. But that's just a style I try to use. Let me make it there you go. So once you do it here, actually it's easier if you just take it off. Once you have it on there, once you calibrate it, boom, and it doesn't come off. So there you go. And there, just in time for the video. Just put it back and you're set. And like I said, it's not gonna work because it's still charging. So yeah, guys, there you have it. So yeah, like I said, this is convenient for you to have if you're traveling. I wouldn't use a car charger. I would connect it directly if you're at a hotel. They have the chargers with the alarm clock and all that, so feel free to use that. Other than that, yeah, guys, drop your comments below and let me know what you think of this USB charger. I'll leave it alone for now, let it charge, and we'll go from there. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.